If you ever have a hangnail, don't peel it. So how can you get rid of it? But first, like and subscribe, otherwise your nails may fall out. So you've probably had this small piece of skin sticking out before. Most people just peel it off. However, doing that can pull the skin off your entire hand and result in serious infection. So, how can you get rid of it? Simply cut it off and wrap the area with a bandage.
This jewelry shop has found a brilliant way to protect their jewelry from thieves. Whenever a customer buys gold bangles or ornaments, the shopkeeper first rolls up some dollar bills and wraps the bangles around them. Then he places it inside an empty coffee cup, puts a rose on top, closes the lid, and packs it in a coffee bag. Finally, he hands it over, saying, "Here's your coffee."
I'm going to catch bubbles now.
Let me catch.
Let me catch.
Let me catch.
You can't catch. Then this time, I'll catch the bubbles.
Let me catch. Let me catch.
You can't catch. This is a smoke bubble toy. When playing, you can't catch it directly with your hands. Look, it came with small gloves for us. When we play, we add bubble liquid, then open the cap, and we can blow smoke bubbles. Hey, when we catch with the gloves, it won't break, and it's still bouncy and springy.
This smoke bubble is so much fun. Kids, if you want this, like, subscribe the video, and comment your age.
Look, this girl made a huge mistake after buying a ton of heels without trying them on because she was already late for a party. She rushed to wear her favorite pink heels to match her pink dress, but her pinky toe refused to go in like it was fighting for its life, so she grabbed a pink pen and shaded the shoe like makeup could fix it. Her best friend saw her struggling, grabbed the pink heels, cut them open, added design, tied them up to her calves. They fit perfectly. She was so happy she instantly gave her bestie a like.
Hey Mom, I don't want to eat these spicy red noodles every day.
Oh man, what kind of boy is this? Fine, I'll just quickly eat all the noodles myself.
Alright, I'm awake now.
Alright, I'll quickly hide.
Hey Sophia, where did all my noodles go? Well, this actually turned out good for me.
Today I made special sweet pudding for my Bobby.
Oh, my mouth is watering.
I don't want to eat this flour sweet pudding every day.
Oh, this is the right moment. Let me quickly go eat.
Hey Bobby, how dare you spill the sweet pudding I made?
Please Mom, let go of my ear. I won't talk to you ever again.
Fine then son, here, have your favorite candy.
Wow Mom, this is really tasty.
Oh, I'm really enjoying eating the sweet pudding. Friends, like and subscribe for your mom.
This vase breaks as soon as I touch it. Jack, look! The vase you just made is broken.
Who told you to touch it? The vase wasn't dry yet.
Oh, I thought it was dried. I worked so hard on that vase, and now I ruined it.
It's okay. I'll use this clay and make another one. First, knead the clay into a smooth ball and place it into the mold. Insert the center spindle, then remove the mold and cover it with the lid. Next, pick your favorite vase shape and attach it to the machine. Flip the switch and we can start shaping our vase. It's super easy. Just follow the guide rail and scrape away layer by layer, and your vase is done. Friends, if you want this machine, then like and subscribe.
What letter does your name start with?
P.
That means I'll buy you anything from Target that starts with the letter P. What do you want to get?
A phone.
Let's go get a phone. What's your name?
Peter.
What made you choose to get a new phone?
I have an Android and it sucks.
So you want to get a new iPhone?
Yeah.
Do you see any iPhones that you like?
Oh yeah, right over there. Is it okay if I could get an iPhone 17?
That's pretty expensive. How much does it cost?
$1,199.
If you're subscribed to me on YouTube, I'll get you the iPhone 17 anyways. Are you subscribed to me on YouTube?
Yes.
What's my name?
Riley May.
That's correct. Let's get you an iPhone 17. What's one secret that your parents don't know?
At school I said a bad word.
What word did you say?
The B word.
Hopefully your parents don't see this video.
Yeah.
Did you bring your wallet?
No.
How are we gonna pay for it?
I thought you were gonna pay for it.
I'm just kidding. I am gonna pay for it.
Subscribe for an iPhone 17.
Look, the younger sister was about to get married, but made a hilarious mistake. As they walked through the door, her dress got stuck and she just yanked it like she was opening a bag of chips. Her older sister spotted it, rolled her eyes, and showed her how to glide in properly like a real bride. The younger sister copied and nailed it, but then, as they sat down, her skirt shot up like a curtain on Broadway. The older sister jumped in again, teaching her to grab the sides and sit like a queen. The younger sister pulled it off the second time, so her big sister threw her a like.